Let's start with keyword research. First, we'll do a classic keyword search using a dedicated search engine. For this demo, let's focus on the site nationalgeographic.com. I have created a project called National Geo. From there, I'll go to the Keyword Explorer, which is a search engine for keyword research. It helps to filter and find keywords that are interesting for my SEO strategy. I want to set aside specific keywords. To do that, I'll need to prepare a place to store them. I'll store my keywords in National Geographic and create a list. I can create as many lists as I want, but one will suffice for the demo. What interests me? For example, on National Geographic, I noticed many pages about dogs. So I'll look for related keywords. I'll type domestic dog. The search engine suggests keyword about domestic dogs. I can add them to my list. This keyword interests me, so I'll set it aside. This way, I have a list saved as accessible at any time. Since YourText.Guru can be used by a team, the rest of my team can also see the list. This makes it easy for us to work together. I've marked the keyword that interests me, which is great, of course. Some interest me because I think they're what users search for. But in SEO, we know we sometimes have specific requirements. We want a certain search volume and other metrics. It's important to look at the criteria associated with keywords. Fortunately, in this keyword search engine, I have very useful KPIs. I have the search volume, which is the number of times a keyword is searched in Google per month. I have this SEO difficulty as the score from 0 to 100. 0 means the keyword is easy to rank for, while 100 means it's highly competitive and will require significant SEO effort. Then there are CPC, ad competition, lowest bid, highest bid metrics, which come from Google Ads. These metrics indicate if a keyword is competitive and if people are willing to bid on it. Next, we have the keyword category. Then SERP features. This lets us know what's special about the SERP without visiting the results page. For domestic dog, we have people also ask, organic results, a carousel, related searches, images, and knowledge graph. This tells us what type of content is expected. For instance, if videos are present, targeting the SERP with video could be very effective. We also have the number of words in the query. We know that 1 or 2 word queries are generally broader, while longer queries are often long-tail keywords. We also have the keyword trend graph, showing the search volume evolution over recent month, indicating if the query is seasonal. Finally, there's the keyword update column. With all these information, I can filter keywords. I can choose to see only very difficult keywords or only easy ones, and then remove filters to start over. Now, here's a useful feature in YourText.Guru. For example, domestic dog interests me, but I want related keywords that don't necessarily include domestic or dog. How do I find them? I click on the chevron and see keyword for a different search. I've taken domestic dog and performed a semantic search, moving away from pure vocabulary to semantics. This shows related, potentially interesting keywords like domestic canines or a question like, what is the scientific name of dog? These might give me article idea for my site. I can add many keywords. For the demo, I'll click Add all the keywords to the list, so all visible keywords are added. I can see in the summary here that the total volume increases, giving me an idea of the targeted volumes with these keywords. I can also view my list in a different format, like a graphical view, showing the SEO difficulty distribution. Is the list targeting difficult keywords, easy one, or a mix? This list targets mainly easy and intermediate keywords. I can always export this list in CSV format. That's keyword research using a dedicated search engine.